You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this name? From French, for more names from French cuisine, make sure to stay tuned. This is French for puff pastry. Pate, pate is how you say pastry. In French, not pâté, that's a different word. It doesn't have an accent on the E. Pate, feuilletee, feuilletee. Some in France, many actually, would skip the Y sound in the middle and say feuilletee, feuilletee. Pate feuilletee or pate feuilletee. Both pronunciations would be correct, but you can use the pate feuilletee one. Let's say in English, pate feuilletee, pate feuilletee, pate feuilletee. That's perfect. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.